Uh, Today is the first day of G7 in Cornwall, and I'm not in Carbis Bay. I'm down in Falmouth, on the other coast, on the south coast, and this is where the media have gathered. But right now I'm standing outside a powder blue building called Bank House, which is where we used to live when we lived in Falmouth. And if I turn around, you can see Trago Mills, the famous Trago Mills, and the Water Sports Association behind me. And if I continue going, you can see Events Square. And this has been cordoned off, the Events Square and the Maritime Museum, for the media. There is a huge media presence here. But what am I doing here? Yeah, good question. Well, we are running an NLP training in Cornwall at the same time as G7. We're running it at the Falmouth Hotel. We've been doing it for 20 years, and I couldn't miss the opportunity of capturing this particular view. And if I'm lucky, you can see the ship in the background, the cruise ship, which I believe is home for security. Okay. So ZPS8 is the name of the company running the NLP training in Cornwall at the Falmouth Hotel for the last 20 years, and we intend to continue.